For centuries, the loose portrait has been an exciting glimpse into the minds and processes of master artists. From afar, the loose style serves as an irresistible invitation for you to come closer. With heart racing and eyes darting about, you begin to take in the details the artist felt most important to include. As you take in each color, each bit of texture, each seemingly random brushstroke, you see the energy blossom into an expertly designed portrait. In The Portrait Sketch, Tim Rees will take you to this place, a place where you'll create strong alla prima artwork that's a bit abstract yet displays precision.
So as I start to move into the stage of my career where I'm not just necessarily making pretty images, but I'm trying to convey things to people, oil paint becomes an ideal medium because there's so many different ways it can be used to create those messages.
Starting with The Portrait Sketch, Tim's primary passion, he leads you into a new project with no preconceptions and shares how to experience the subject for the first time, critical so your paintings are more fluid and spontaneous.
I paint loose portraits because of the direct connection to nature, I think, and the sense of immediacy and beauty that you get out of it. There's something liberating and fun and spontaneous where you get to combine elements of realism and abstraction in ways that tend to get lost over longer portraits.
From there, Tim demonstrates everything he does to create his award-winning portraits, from setting up the canvas and positioning the model through every phase of the painting, including capturing small details such as earrings, to the final brushstroke and declaring the painting a success. You'll experience tremendous growth as Tim teaches you how to paint loosely and quickly, creating a bold impression while maintaining quality and style. All throughout the video, Tim offers helpful tips and insights. He shares his own challenges and how he overcame them so you can steadily learn and progress. Tim's method of breaking down the project into sections will help you practice, improve, and ultimately bring each piece together. Available on DVD and instant video, study with Tim Rees in The Portrait Sketch and you'll be creating striking works of art which showcase your creativity and confidence, backed by accuracy and directness.